Let's draw a realistic tearful eye. First, sketch two arcs, one for the upper eyelid and one for the lower. In the center, draw a large semicircle for the black eyeball. Add thickness to the upper eyelid and round out the inner corner for a more natural shape. Now, draw the double eyelid crease above the eye, then place a round pupil in the middle. Leave a rectangular highlight for a glossy effect and darken the upper half of the pupil to create a shadow from the eyelid. For shading, apply a gradient from dark to light, blending outward. The area where eyelashes grow should be darker. Use a tissue or fingertip to blend smoothly, keeping the color heavier at both ends and lighter in the center. Next, let's add the tears. Sketch their shape along the lower eyelid. Darken the base to create volume, then use a hard eraser to carve out highlights, making them look wet and reflective. Now, define the under eye area by shading outward from the pupil. Then add eyelashes, starting with curled lashes, varying lengths for a natural look. Add a slight reflection on the lashes for extra realism. For the final touch, add a hint of red near the tear ducts to enhance the emotional effect. And there you have it, a beautifully expressive, tearful eye. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and share. See you next time.